Hello dear friend, today in this video I will discuss the three major topics. What is Shopify, how to create a Shopify account. Then I will discuss after when I completely understand you what is Shopify, how to create a Shopify account. So after that I will discuss how to earn money on a Shopify by creating your seller account, or if you are a buyer. So in the next video, or at the last of this video, I will also discuss how to buy a product on a Shopify. So this video is very important for you. Hope this will very beneficial and very knowledgeable for you. So be with me till the end of video. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to type Shopify, or you have to type what is Shopify. Then you have to press the search icon. So at the top, most of the search bar, Shopify is completely commerce platform that lets you start, grow and manage a business. Basically Shopify e-commerce platform. On this platform you can start your online business digitally by creating your online business store. Not recommended or not necessary to create your physical store or marketplace. So you can sell your products by listing your products on your store by and managing your products on your Shopify store, and you can sell your products worldwide. So this is a digitally business. So our expertise and leadership in commerce comes from the experience of millions of merchants on our platform. So of course some expertise and leadership people are working on Shopify, and also millions of big and worldwide merchants are also selling their products on this platform. So you have to firstly create a store on your Shopify account, and then you have to sell your products next. So if I open the www.shopify.com, the official website of Shopify, so you can learn more about Shopify. Then after that, this is a short biography, short basic detail of Shopify. So next topic, how to create a Shopify. So free trial of Shopify is that you have to create. I am just starting. So next, or you can skip also. Skip. These are optional. So skip. Next, Pakistan. If you are Pakistan, or you are from USA or UK, Canada, Australia, you can from on the behalf of your location, you can create a account according to your location. So I am from Pakistan, and this video is basically for the US persons, US people. So US people have to choose a US location. So the next is Google. You have to log in with the Google account first, or your Facebook account, or continue with the Apple account, or continue with an email, Yahoo or Outlook and other emails you have. So this is the next second step of how to create a Shopify account. So hope this is very helpful for you. So the next video, how to earn money from Shopify. So I from the last two topics, what is Shopify and how to create a Shopify, and I already discussed the basics of Shopify, how to create a Shopify store. So this is a digitally cloud-based system. So you have to list your products on the digital store, so you can manage, or you can gain traffic through social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and others. So you have to publish your products in other platform likes unlike the Shopify. So this is the basic tutorial for your Shopify. Hope this video is helpful for you. I will meet you in the next video. Bye for now. Tata.